It all starts with a dream. The only limitation that you have in your life is you.
Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello and welcome to Abundance Stock Advisors. So, which stock is cheap and which one is really expensive? Should you really buy a stock that is appearing cheap? Is an expensive stock really expensive and cannot rally further? In this video, our experts will help you find answers to all these questions so that you always make the right choice. To get notification on this video and many other life-changing future videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to Abundance Stock Advisors. If you are a serious stock market investor, think of joining our YouTube channel. It's a game changer in the stock market advisory industry. And to know the benefits of joining a channel, watch our channel joining video, which is coming up at the top here as a suggested video. And the link can also be found in this video description below. There's some motivation for you towards the end of the video, so stay tuned. So friends, which stock is cheap and which one is really expensive? And which one you should be buying? Let's try and understand with a live use case. So on 2nd November 2015, the share price of Vakrangi was 50 rupees and by 18 December, it was 96 rupees. Almost double in like a month. So, a retail investor friend of ours, Mr. Rahul, who was wanting to buy the stock, observed that this share doubled in a month. Somehow, he couldn't digest this fact. It didn't make sense to him. Simple reason? How can a share double in a month? So according to him, the share had become expensive. And it's not just about Mr. Rahul. Any retail investor would share a similar feeling. All retail investors think on similar lines. That's how their brain works in the stock markets. Now, Mr. Rahul is thinking that the share will go through some profit booking and the price would correct. The moment that happens, he would buy the stock. And why does Mr. Rahul want to buy this stock? Listen carefully. That's because he understands that the share is truly a gem to have in his portfolio. Simple. Almost 9 months later, on 2nd September 2016, the share price is still 100 rupees. But Mr. Rahul has still not bought it, just because he still thinks that the share price is expensive and will correct. 3 months later, that is on 13 Jan 2017, the share price touches 150 rupees. Now this time, Mr. Rahul has been still watching it. It has become 3 times in like 14 months. Now, as per Mr. Rahul, the share has become super expensive. No chance whatsoever of entering into it now. But he still hopes that the share price will correct and he may have his chance to buy again. Now, after 6 months, on 2nd June 2017, the share hits 200 rupees. Meaning, from November 2015 to June 2017, the share became 4 times. At this point in time, Mr. Rahul has even stopped following the stock. On the 10th November, the share hits 300 rupees. 1st December 2017, it hit 350. 27th December, it hit 400. And 25th Jan 2018, it hit 500 rupees. Friends, it had hit 10 times in 2 years. That's it. Game is over. Tagging the share as expensive all the time, Mr. Rahul could never buy it and he lost a golden chance of making money. He never actually understood that the share was rising for some good reasons. And at every stage, it was actually cheap and not expensive. Does Mr. Rahul finally get to buy the stock? Let's see. From 29 Jan 2018, this stock starts falling. And on 1st Feb 2018, it was trading at 290 rupees. The share had fallen almost 50% from its peak, and Mr. Rahul got to know about it. Mr. Rahul gets excited. He felt closer to achieving his dream of buying the stock now. He goes ahead and buys the stock at 290 rupees because as per him, now the stock had become cheap and it was a good time to enter into it. 8 days later, on 8th Feb, the share touches 190 rupees. The stock is cheaper like never before. So Mr. Rahul buys some more of this stock and feels extremely proud of owning it. Let's see how long does the pride remain intact. A month later, on the 1st March 2018, the share hits 150 rupees. Much cheaper now. A month later, on 30th April 2018, it hits 100 rupees. Now it's super cheap, damn cheap. Mr. Rahul goes out with full power to buy it. A stock worth 500 rupees is now available at 100 rupees. Extremely cheap, amazing deal. Finally, after 15 days, on 18th May 2018, the stock hits 50 rupees. Mr. Rahul is checkmate. He is trapped and is facing tremendous losses now. So friends, was the stock really cheap? Or initially, was it really expensive? Friends, understand that the stock is rising for some good reasons, and what is appearing cheap, or rather what is appearing expensive, is actually cheap. Similarly, the stock was falling for some good reasons, and what appeared cheap was actually expensive. So whatever strategies you may have used till now, you will have to unlearn them if you are losing money. Think different. Think away from the crowd. Buy expensive. Sell cheap. That's the mantra. Or else you will never be able to really buy. But that doesn't mean you should buy any stock at whatever the price. No. You need to get technical. There are many techniques that can tell you what the share is actually worth today. So Abundant Stock Advisors use many such techniques to spot the right price of a stock. And this is done very meticulously, and then a well-informed decision is taken when a stock is recommended. Let's get some motivation. It all starts with a dream. Friends, do not be stingy in dreaming. Dream big. The only limitation that you have in your life is you. The future belongs to those who actually believe in the beauty of their dreams and actually chase their dreams. So friends, it all starts with a dream. For many such amazing videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. If this video has added value in your life, please like and share. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section and we will surely reply. Thank you for now. Jai Hind.